Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 here to review another new set of Born Pretty. It's a collection of 6 bottles. I wanted to show you how you can expect them to see how they are packaged. This is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. Yeah, you get to take a peek at my 4th of July nails. Okay, let's go ahead and open this box. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, so just to do a quick unboxing, what to expect inside. You have a little pamphlet here, the user manual that they nicely included here, our Nude gel application to help you out. And here are the 6 bottles. Let me go ahead and take them out of this plastic. So here they are out of the plastic, and I want to show you. So these are on their white glass bottles. These are 7 ml bottles. They do have the little window here where you can see, take a peek at the color and the name of the polish, or the name of the color I should say. They are identified with this little label right here, which I will be showing you individually as I'm doing the swatches on some tips. So just to tell you about this collection, this is their Nude Jelly Gel Polish set. Okay, these are very jelly-like nude and sheer colors. Look how beautiful that is. Very neutral, soft colors that are very popular right now. If you have taken, if you've ever taken an interest on Japanese style nail designs, a lot of this is very popular in multiple colors, not just nudes and pinks. So I'm going to go ahead and go through it and show you, do some swatches on the tips so you guys can see the colors, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here are all 6 colors, guys. Take a look. Okay, so this one really stands out as the pinkest of them all, if I may say that. This one to me seemed more jelly-like than the rest. It's just, oh, such a beautiful pink. So these others, I will say, probably tend to be more into, have some more peach tones, more skin tones, yeah. This one here, these 2 probably have more pink, and these 3 over here a little bit more peachy tones, undertones. But beautiful. They do cure nicely under 30 seconds in the LED light. I did 2 coats for each one of these, and these are finished with a glossy top coat. Look how beautiful that is. So again, this is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions, please leave them and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending me these beautiful gels to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.